What did you buy? Surprise!
Hold up.
What be this? What be this?
How can I be homophobic?
Who the is this? Hi. Daddy. Who be this? I want to open up. Don't tell me it's what I'm thinking. I be gay. You be gay now? Yes, I be gay. So two of you are the bantu? Yes. He's my boyfriend. My name is Jennifer. Nice to meet you. You be Jennifer? With this belly? Daddy. You sure say no be gadgets with this? Never mind, yeah. I'm in love with your bestie, yeah. All I know is it's one big family. Family hug. Pew. Why you gonna help me? You the man? Why will you hit me? I'll go kill you.
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Like I always do, comedy reaction 100%. So make sure you stick to the very end of this video, cause I promise you, there's something you've never seen before. You get. So make sure you subscribe if you're yet to do that. Drop nice comments. Drop nice comment. It's really, really important for the growth of my channel. You feel me? So, my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun. Finish.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
My name is Balo.
I'm Shams.
Wow, nice meeting you, Sham.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you a Ghanaian?
Yeah, I'm Ghanaian.
Lovely. What do you care for?
Can you help me call the waitress, please?
Please, come and attend to her.
Yeah, just give me 1 bottle of Azul. With 2 bottles of Coke. That's fine.
Oh, say! Who be that guy with the talking here? Who be that nigga?
Sorry, I'm coming. Let me pick up some.
Talking here with the 2 and here. We want to see here. Say, are your papa money?
That man will pay.
Manager, please come.
Who be that nigga with the talking here? Who be that guy with the
manager.
She said you will pay.
What?
Sabinus is manager.
22,000 Ghana cedis. Madam, please, you have to pay for what you took.
I thought you asked me what do I care for.
I'm the manager of this company. When you came in, you said that you didn't order for anything. So I asked you, what do you care for? You order for Azul.
Oh, say!
Collect the money from her, otherwise they will remove it from your salary.
Wow.
Don't play. Helps you learn. You might learn that way.
Pluto.
How fun are you green? I'm gonna wipe now.
Pluto, just like that. You'll drop something now.
Must I drop something before I wipe you?
If Uncle, you'll drop something, Pluto. I know they do that kind of thing.
Okay, no, I don't promise you Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Sharp.
But you they use legs also.
Forget about let's us believe.
For Lamborghini, you'll do 2 days.
I'm out. And I'm gonna move now.
But wait. Barista Deji.
Always remember to add Samuel. Pluto, sign here.
It's time for waiting. Now, waiting this up.
For you not to sexually defraud her, you have to sign here. For 2 rounds, sign and indicate.
Pluto, just sign now.
Wait, people they do promise and faith since they know they sign. You they reach my turn and they say man sign. Waiting this up.
To sign me, everybody they alright.
How far when Bonner boy do you in sign?
No.
Don't want man.
I know by Lambo. Is that why I
My dear, walk up fast, make me and you face reach the house today. You carry last. You go see something because I just they walk everywhere. They find money. One will go use shop. They train you for school. You say you not sabi anything. You not sabi with this your coconut hair. Neighbor.
My neighbor.
Neighbor. Waiting this your daughter carry this time.
You know, say my daughter sabi book now. She carry first, oh. Tell them now.
I carry first.
You dey see him? You dey see your mate, Abi? No wahala. As you choose to disgrace me, I go show you who I be. No wahala, more they go. Neighbor, where take come be this one where you carry?
Okay, you remember my Ada now? We married for UK. She don't born, I not tell you. And they go send them pampers and some things for she and her baby.
Mama Ada, you won't carry pampers from Nigeria here, they go UK.
So you never hear about I deliver?
Wait till come here, I deliver again.
I deliver, now people they deliver, past even Hebrew women.
They will deliver me, make I carry first.
My dear, make sure no they see some.
They deliver gifts like mugs, t-shirts, blankets, flower, anything, throw pillows, surprise, all those surprise package, engagement ring to all parts of the world. You want to African countries, Asia, UK, China, Saudi Arabia. Then they deliver now. So now them I won't use now go give my dad some gift and her baby. In my house, not be last to carry again this time. Every time I get waste of my money, you can say, my love, because let's go.
My dear Lele, enter front of sister. Should you see the kind of disgrace where you bring upon me, Abi?
Now last man the carry.
No, what the first one? No carry me play at all. Come this side. Where your results?
Principal.
Ima say where your results? You know Chakashimaya. No, you dey open eye for your mother. No wahala. No wahala. I got me and you for this house.
I'm a wicked man.
Ima, your results no dey here. No wahala.
Emma, where I keep your results?
Your results no dey here.
Welcome to today's news. We'll be reporting live from the UK. A woman from Nigeria gifted her child diapers from iDeliver. I would also like to say another shocking news. A boy's academic result was also found in the package.
Hey! Biaima! So you carry your result for that woman bag?
Tell her now.
No, you didn't see your mate. Move face reaching her house, your result no good. Don't give her papa. You go see me. You dey wrong. No wahala.
Madam, leave her now.
Hey! Leave her waiting. This one now.
This iDeliver na shop logo. No. This package don't reach UK.
Are you okay? Hey!
Since we're all here, I would like to announce it.
Call the results, my dear. Call them.
In the class of 30, he got...
Carry light.
You think it's only
I know me say you go to the sister to the bring down my reputation.
You know me like calling results. You have TV.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, please, can you pick a number between 1 to 100?
1 to 100.
Yes, sir.
I pick 6.
Wow. Sir, you just won yourself 6,000 naira.
Oh, Daddy.
Okay, you two, you can give it a try. Can you pick a number from 1 to 100?
I pick 7.
Oh, wow.
7.
Get out of this plenty jokes.
You get no guess. I wish you was pick on.
Okay.
Talkless.
Madam, you call me?
Yes. Talkless, meet Mr. Dixon. Mr. Dixon, meet Talkless, my late husband brother.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
So Talkless was sent to me after the death of my late husband by the family.
No problem.
Nice to meet you, brother. Thank you, sir.
So Talkless, meet Mr. Dixon, my late husband's business partner.
Hey. But me, I know Sabinus.
You don't know him?
Haji.
Well, actually, I'm not based in Nigeria, so I do come and go.
Who? That kind of thing.
Your brother was a very good person. My condolences.
Thank you, boss.
Talkless, why I called here is to inform you that Mr. Dixon cannot go home tonight. I was thinking that Mr. Dixon could spend the night in your room.
No, I'm okay here. Here is very conducive for me.
Boss, you can stay for my room.
No, I'm okay. Thank you so much, okay?
You're welcome.
Hey, no, man.
Should I get you a duvet?
No, I'm good. Thank you so much.
Well, let me go to sleep. Okay? Good night.
Yes,
have a lovely night.
Let's watch this video.
Sir, Dixon. I like that your name. Haji.
So you don't go sleep this night with that?
Never. Sleep, K. We will mobile and book.
Oh, God.
You know the watch match?
No.
Over the watch match, you basically go play this night. They have my boss of brain.
Okay.
I carry this match.
Hey.
If they win this match like this, I give don't come.
Wow. That's nice.
Okay.
You know go allow and do it to now.
A few minutes later.
What's going on here? Obìnrin.
If I hear say Talkless will come out.
Okay.
You gotta trust man. Hard down.
Eh?
Let's have it.
Come on!
Messi! Shaman, that game I tell you don't enter now. Messi don't score now. Wow. Bro, now better Telegram channel they give me game. Easy win. They too sure die.
Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. So the business partner be this.
I mean, I go change now. Why?
Don't worry. Now me order for something.
Let's have it. What should I want to do for you? I'm gonna go inside now.
Wow.
Baby boy.
Turn up. Very big business partner. Go inside. Let's go do business.
Okay, I don't understand this.
You buy car? No. Hey, waiting God do for you. You will let the go shot. Waiting you buy. Surprise!
Hold up. What be this?
How can I be homophobic?
Who the fuck is this?
Hi. Agkaay. Who be this? I want to open up. Don't tell me it's what I'm thinking. I be gay. You be gay? Yes, I be gay. So two of una dey bantu?
Yes, he's my boyfriend. My name is Jennifer. Nice to meet you.
You be Jennifer? With this belly? Agkaay. You sure say no be gadus with this?
Never mind. I'm in love with your bestie, yeah?
A minute, ma. Bros. No be really my bestie. We're not close like that. Continue.
That's your business. All I know is, it's one big family. Family hug. Pew.
Why would you help me? You the man.
Why will you hit me?
Ogo go kill you.
You have the head. No, do it.
Hey! My family on TV.
Don't you know I'm having cramps? Why will you leave me there?
You having cramps, you, Sonic? Gadus, you dey get cramps, Gadus.
Because I don't tell you making it to the break things. Baby, I'm sorry.
You know I'm happy right now. I'm happy that both of you are in love. You get me? So who is paying for my TV? You or your man?
Ha! Mika! OG, I'm breaking up with you. Are you calling me OG? When that was now, what happened to baby?
Hey, no, nothing's happening to baby. Bros, I ain't going for my TV now.
TV?
Yeah?
That's a good dream break up right now. You're so insensitive.
You are insensitive. You're not insensitive. Why you my TV? I'm a carry for you transfer job.
This is me. Shama, so I'm not getting shishi.
Yeah. See how boys stick. Big bro. You dey mad?
If you paying kind.
Are you poor?
What be this?
I mean, Lord of Jesus.
Bros, the gas. No worry.
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay.
This is a divorce case burdened on co-parenting. The first counsel may proceed.
Thank you very much, my lord, if I may. My name is Mr. Life, aka Barrister Olupapa. 23 years in the legal threshold. No case lost. My lord, first of all, it is very unimaginable and it beats my imagination how a man in this same society will give birth to a child, raise the child down to this level, and will come public to deny that child. It is very preposterous, incongruous, and unscrupulous for him to do that in this society. My lord, this case does not deserve the precious time of this court. This woman here is the mother of these children. And they say that the woman that carries the pregnancy knows the father of the child. He gave birth to this child. Look at them. You see the striking resemblance. I don't know why he's coming out to deny the child. Maybe because he's not doing well in life. It is very wrong and justice should take his course. Please, before I say everything myself, let me allow you here from the horse's mouth. Please speak to the court.
Okay, lawyer, thank you. Oga George, no be smart, you know. Hey! Since 25 years ago, where I married this man were there jobless. I married this man, he no get anything. Land he no get, property he no get. Now in Papa house when they stay for village, oh, this man not fit afford anything. I go carry belle, go born these two children, Ejima. Oga lawyer. That don't reach home, go divorce. I can't look this one. I look inside the eye. I can't say this one gonna be better something for future. I can't say make I take this one so that I go feel reap the fruit of my labor for tomorrow. Now you can't drag this one with me. You can't drag my pikin with me. What if you do this one when you not go collect?
Second counsel, you have anything to say?
My lord, if I may.
You may.
Barrister Boniface Njoku, Esquire, 20 years in the practice, pursuing my senior advocacy.
Okay.
This is a case of hula baloo, quagmire, character assassination, defamation, on the personality of my clients. I stand to be corrected, but the juxtaposition of the tenacity of purpose, of childbearing and co-parenting should be looked into, because under law, this baby lawyer cannot even stand here.
Objection, my lord. I am 23 years in the practice, he's just 20 years, and he has no right to refer to me as a baby lawyer.
Objection overruled. You may continue.
Thank you, my lord. Age is just a number, maturity is mindset. It's not how far, it's how well. Look at the facial expression. Look at the cosmopolitan injunction. Look at the assemblage. The striking resemblance is there on this side. So he has been taking care of these children. The only thing she did was to carry them in the womb. They prayed for the fruit of the womb. Is that a fruit? The fruit is not ripe, if at all. I will leave my client to throw more light on this and will rest the case.
My lord, they don't say if Peking good, na him papa, but Peking bad, na him mama. My lord, you see this Peking? This one get bright future. The boy good for English, good for mathematics, good for biology, good for chemistry, good for physics. The one they say the Peking get characteristics of a doctor. Now this one be my Peking. Hey, this one go just strong hand for vulcanizer. Now this one go collect.
You don't go collect them.
Now my son be that.
Go collect them, make I see now. Go collect them, make I see. Now forget.
Order in the courtroom. Order.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
My name is Miss Cathy from the River State Empowerment. Please, may I know the guardian of this boy? Uche.
It doesn't say government don't define them, they see bad news.
No.
Is there any problem?
No problem, sir. Actually, the government conducted a competition and he won 30 million naira.
This boy?
Yes.
Apart from the 30 million naira, he also won himself a fully funded scholarship to the United States of America and will be living with one of his parents today at 6 p.m. So who is in charge of this boy?
Me now.
Judge, then they follow me to drag my Peking. And they drag my Peking, Papa no go put him out, they drag my son. Judge, I'm not going to my son be that.
But you just said it's not your son.
Me?
Yes.
Uche Nwamo. Uche daddy. Oh, yo, Uche. Judge said, I'm the answer, Papa.
There's no resemblance.
Resemblance, ke? Look in forehead, look my forehead.
There's no resemblance.
Look in nose, look my nose.
There's no resemblance.
Just look in face, look my own face.
There's no resemblance.
Man, smile.
Let's have it.
My God.
This guy's
You will sleep in jail. You will rot in jail. Your family will capture you in jail. Shut up.
You will rot in jail. You give it to your first child in jail. No nonsense.
What you talk say you do again?
No mind them, Joe. I go talk something for Instagram. I forget to add allegedly.
I don't just know now.
What you go do?
Madam. Sule, get ma. Baby boy, come inside now. Sule, what did they find for here?
Like now, go back now and carry comfort.
My husband.
Yes, sir.
Where is he?
Oga, will I enter now?
Mr. Prince, you have been charged with a civil case of physical assault and harassment of a fellow citizen. Are you guilty or not guilty?
My lord.
Yes, I am guilty. Come and do what you want to do. Lock me up, I want to go to jail.
My lord, if I may. Mr. Prince here is responsible. Married to a soldier for that matter. He dare not commit such assault. My lord, I would implore you to pity Mr. Prince later.
Are you playing?
For the unexpected incident was caused by self-defense.
I see. Since you have pleaded guilty, my judgment is you pay the fine of 1.5 million naira to the assaulted.
Madam, do we have 1.5 million naira?
Sure.
We don't have the money. Lock me up now. What to do?
My lord, I am really sorry for my client's behavior. I forgot to mention earlier that he has slight symptoms of mental illness. And from here, we are taking him to rehab.
I'm not sick, I'm okay. I want to go to jail. Just lock me up now.
I know you are not okay, Mr. Prince.
He obviously has mental issues. And you're lucky you hired a competent lawyer.
That's me.
As of now, you're free.
Let's have it.
Court dismissed.
Shut up. Just shut up.
Now that you are free.
Help me.
Would you tell me why I found 5 used condoms in our matrimonial bedroom?
When you're under arrest,
I know.
Anything you say or do,
It's okay, lock me up. I want to go to jail.
Move it.
Let's go.
Them tried for
Can you
me.
imagine?
Anything I
So,
do, them
this is a funny shared apartment. So you say your name is what?
My name is BMS, but you can call me BMS of Lagos.
You just they call Lagos, you know the heart of Lagos. And you don't get asked for Lagos. Well, this is a shared apartment for 2 million naira.
2 million?
Exactly.
But maybe to say that this 1.5.
Okay, gents, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We are the ladies.
They're upstairs.
They're upstairs, my regards, okay?
Something will kill a man. But me?
Share apartment.
If you pay now, I'm getting your ass meat. See your room there. Your room there up.
Allah. Which bank I think I
OP 4423.
Confirm.
Oh my God.
Another neighbor.
Agents. That's you. Afana.
I do, thank God. Come. See that guess? See your room, see your room. And what I enjoy.
Clap for Jesus. Clap for Jesus.
Just like that. Share apartment. Who can't get the fellow? Enter your own room first now.
Hi. What's up? You know, I just moved into this apartment and
You pack on down for your pockets now.
Jesus!
But these people they crazy. Now so they take one boy every coin inspect us yesterday. Today again.
Nah lie.
Lagos is not an easy place.
Because say you see woman.
Before you know it, as you just walk out like this, bah! Something don't happen to you.
Now they are hungry.
Oga, wake up. The answer me mad they go.
Pay or screw. Pay or rest.
All this was cross safe. 8 o'clock on the meet on a for hotel.
8 o'clock, okay. You don't see where Instagram body the day, hotel reach 8 o'clock.
I better call you as I give me make a honor for you. What be this now? Which day address turn to Azan now?
You don't forget your promises. Hey. So you don't forget all the promises when you make when you dey on top me.
Jesus. So you go to take the promises of an honey man seriously? All this Instagram body safe.
Ha! So you give me Lambo instead of Lambo.
Stop that rubbish. As you dey like this, you and 17 others they wait for their Lambo.
Jesus.
You never collect money. You wait for Lambo. I'm waiting for Lambo.
What is your problem? I've told you, bring me the green and the blue Lambo. It is for my babe.
Okay, sir. We are coming right away, sir.
Please be fast, Joe. I don't have time.
So you're doing this for me.
I've told you. Stop comparing me with all those guys out there. I'm real. My shit are real. Anything for you, my queen.
I believe you. Don't worry, tonight I'm going to show you what I can do.
Let's go inside. Sorry, let me pick this call.
Godfather.
Hello, sir.
Godfather.
Okay, sir. Exactly, sir. Babe,
Jesus!
Jesus! Hey! You don't know.
You got to remember my fighting.
I know by Lambo. Is that why I shout? Them day.
Abin da nake ce kenan zan kira ka in ji na same zan same shi. I'll call you back. Good afternoon. How you doing, my friend? I'm fine, thank you, sir. Good afternoon. I love what you're wearing. From Dubai, right? Dubai, thank you, sir. Okay. Yeah. Quick one. I usually don't do this. Okay. This is my first time. Oh. But I'm in a financial mess right now. Oh, wow. Like I'm stranded. I'm stranded. So I need you to give me a raise, like a helping hand, please.
Oh, you want me to unstranded you?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, don't worry. Problem, my brother, this thing can happen to anybody.
That is what people don't understand about life.
It can happen to anybody.
No, the good thing is this like that. One that reach there will take Okada 200 naira. Don't insult me. What's this? No, explain to me. What's this? Do I look like I'm begging? I'm not collecting my hands. Do I look like I'm begging? You're giving me 200 and I told you I'm stranded and you're giving me 200 now for what? What is that do?
Maybe you say he not get there, he want me to stranded you.
What I want you 200 and do that? But press money for boys, you even use iPhone. Press money now. These are insults now. These are insults. Even my GL was waiting be run no. It was an engine. Let boys and packaging. GL I in the bank.
Can you imagine? Another person.
What problem? Clear your face. Are you not a man? Hi. Clear your face. What the problem? Talk to me. What the problem?
Come on.
I don't normally do this.
He don't never.
My guy, I don't normally do this. You don't know that I beg the one beg. First and foremost, Burna Boy, now you dey cause all this problem now. Everybody don't they promise girl Lambo. You were the promise girl Lambo. May your head deal. May your head deal. Anyway, thanks guys for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And do not forget to check out my other videos. Check them out. I have fantastic videos on my channel. And if you're yet to subscribe, believe me, you're missing out. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification button so you get notified anytime I drop these amazing videos. So, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace out.